It is so warm, and I can't open any windows or doors because it's really loud outside, and it might start thundering again. Today was about 26 degrees and sunny all morning, and then all of a sudden, torrential downpour and thunder. Honestly, I thought the rain was trying to penetrate the house. Hashtag summer vibes, am I right? Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're unboxing the Heat Summer Box by Glossybox. Now this is like a one-off limited edition box. You don't need to be subscribed to Glossybox to get this. I believe it was £35 to subscribers and non-subscribers. Now it is sold out, but we're gonna go ahead and unbox it today anyway, because it might help you decide whether you want to get any future boxes that Glossybox might do, or subscribe. I've been subscribed to Glossybox for over a year now, and honestly, I am most of the time really happy with my boxes. Now recently they had a bit of trouble, probably because of lockdown. I don't really know why, but my last box was a little bit of a disappointment, but that's the first time in like 12 months. So overall, I've been really happy and I don't plan to unsubscribe anytime soon. So this is just me, but I am a little bit of a hoarder of the special edition Glossybox boxes. Now, when I saw this, I was a little bit disappointed that it's actually just a cover on a normal Glossybox. That's probably just me, so that's not affecting what you get inside whatsoever, so we'll just put that to one side. This is a lot heavier than a normal Glossybox, so we've got a hell of a load more things in here than you would normally get for your usual monthly box with 5 items in. I've not unboxed this yet, so I'm gonna get straight into it. Really excited. How professional was that? So the first thing we get is the card. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I've read this, so I know what we get in it, but I've not actually had a look at any of the items yet. So I'm gonna show you what's in here, and I'm gonna read you the description of every item, so you get a good idea of what each item is about and how much it costs, etc. Oh my god, I can smell something coconutty. You get really cute packaging. It is absolutely full to the brim. I'm just going to start with the first thing that's at the top, and it is the Peppermint Revitalizing Leg Mask by OK Beauty. I've never seen these before. I never even knew this was a thing, unless it's brand new. These apparently are perfect for prepping your legs for summer or reviving them. This innovative peppermint-infused sheet mask provides an instant cooling sensation to the skin. It helps to stimulate circulation and instantly soothe tired legs. Apply the mask onto your legs for 10 to 20 minutes, then peel off and massage any remaining serum into your legs. That is so strange, but I'm happy about it. If you've been to the gym and you're done calf day, they're going to come in quite handy. And this is a full-size product and it's worth £7. So the next thing, now I don't know how to pronounce this, so I'm just going to make it up. We have the Solista Beauty Correct and Calm Instant Facial. Soothe your skin after a day spent in the sun with this natural coconut gel-like mask. Infused with witch hazel and eucalyptus leaf, it works to soothe and comfort your skin, reducing redness, skin irritation and blemishes. Apply it onto cleansed skin for 20 minutes, peel off, then massage the remaining serum into your complexion. You can see on the back, it's a sheet mask. When it said originally peel off, I got excited because I thought it was a peel off mask, you know, those ones that you put on your face, dry, and then you peel off and it's really satisfying. No, it's just a sheet mask. And so I'm excited to try this out because I've never heard of this company before. And they've won an award. How have I not heard of these people? But anyway, so another full-size product, and this is worth £7.99. Next thing, I've seen these, but I've never actually been tempted to buy them. I don't really know why, because I'm really excited that I've got this and I can't wait to use it because I am just obsessed with lipstick, so this is great. So what we have here is the Lip Coat & Co. Original Lipstick Sealer. This magical transparent original lipstick top coat helps to keep your lipstick in place so you can enjoy summer with guaranteed flawless looking lips. So apparently you just apply your favourite lipstick, blot it with a tissue, then sweep your lip coat over the top. So we've got a full size product and it's £3.69. How have I never tried this? I mean, this is genius, so I can't wait to use this, especially when you go for a meal. And like, the worst thing for me when I'm having a meal is when I've decided to order the biggest burger on the menu. I get lipstick on the burger, on my chin, and it's just a nightmare. I think that's gonna come in really handy. So we have another lip product, and this is by Dr. Lip. It's the Superfood Red Radish Tint. Keep your pout hydrated while still flaunting sexy tinted lips with this 100% natural balm. So it's the same formula as their multi-award winning original nipple balm. It provides long-lasting moisture with an added touch of colour. Better yet, the red tint comes from natural plant pigments that are rich in antioxidants and protect your lips. I like the packaging. So another full-size product again, and it is worth £6.99. So next we have the Invisibubble in Original Rose Mousse. I think that'd be a really cute stocking filler. Bye Bye Kinks, the Traceless Hair Ring. Obviously a full-size product, and this is £4.99. So next we have a body spray by Hawaiian Tropic, and it's in Golden Paradise. Infused with creamy coconut, this body mist boasts a gorgeous summery scent that will transport you to a tropical beach. I mean, why would I need that right now? Its luxurious lightweight consistency is designed to be worn all over, so feel free to spritz it onto your whole body throughout the day. Then breathe in the delicate blend of fruits, flowers and musk, and let your senses take you away. I'm gonna need more than spray, I'm gonna tell you that. But that does smell amazing. So that is a deluxe mini worth £6, and the full price is £10. Okay, this is bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Moving on. So we have a Dirty Works product, Foam at Last Coconut Foaming Sugar Scrub. So apparently it's got an award-winning frothy foam formula. That's hard to say. Frothy foam formula. So it's got papaya and mango extract and coconut oil and shea butter. So I bet this smells amazing. That reminds me of the coconut butter from Body Shop. It smells exactly like that. Contains sugar crystals to gently exfoliate and remove dry skin. A scrub that foams. That's cool. So we have another full-size product worth £6. The ice in this is long gone. Next we have a hair product by Lee Stafford. It's the Poker Straight Shine Serum. This smoothing serum will give you glowing hair all summer long. Infused with vitamins A and E, it helps to condition your hair, protect it from sun damage and tame any frizz. So it says you can put it on wet or dry hair. Get double the shine by using before you blow dry. Then when your hair is dry, rub a little more serum into your hands and smooth through your hair. Oh, this is a good tip. If you put too much on dry hair, don't panic. Simply give your hair another quick blast with a hairdryer and watch the serum melt away. It's such a cute little bottle as well. That would be perfect on a holiday. Holidays. Hang on a minute. Okay. Let's see what this smells like. I always want to put things in my hair that smell nice, if that makes sense. It smells a little bit like Nivea men's body wash. What a strange smell for a hair product. So this is actually a full-size product worth £7.99. Next we have a Lancaster product, and it's their Tan Maximizer. The Golden Tan Maximizer 1 month tan prolonging. So it's an after sun lotion that you can apply to your face and body after sun exposure and after your holidays. This is one of those moisturizers with a tan enhancer in it, so it's not actually a fake tan. That smells like a spa product, like something from Sanctuary Spa or somewhere like that. I'm interested to try this because my favourite tan maximizer is by Nivea, but this one just smells really expensive and nice. So this is 50ml, so it's a mini and it's worth £4. Full size is 400ml at £29, so not cheap. So we have another hair product, and it's by Umberto Giannini. It's Grow Tonic Vegan Transformative Treatment. This bioactive hair growth tonic is proven to help your tresses grow longer in just 2 weeks. It's formulated with natural ingredients to reinforce thin, weakened locks and reduce hair loss. For best results, section your hair, then apply the tonic all over your freshly cleaned, dry scalp and gently massage it into your roots. So it actually says on the back, apply before styling or overnight, but make sure your scalp has been fully cleansed with Grow Long shampoo or Grow Scrub to allow the active ingredients to penetrate the roots. So does that mean I need to buy those products? So it's got caffeine in it, so that must be what actually stimulates the hair growth. Again, a full-size product, and it's worth £7.99. The last thing in this box I have saved till last on purpose. I cannot believe that this is in this box. It is the Hydra Veil by Illamasqua. Full size. This is worth £34. The box was £35, including postage. So basically, I got 10 products for £1. I'm quite pleased with myself. I've wanted this for the longest time. And to be honest, this is the reason why I bought this box. Oh my god. This hydrator primer combo will keep your makeup in place despite the summer heat. Blending refreshing algae and vitamin C and B3, it hydrates and calms your skin, creating the perfect canvas for your makeup. Use the spoon provided to apply 1 scoop of primer onto the back of your hand, then use a foundation brush to sweep it all over your whole face. Full-sized, worth £34. Okay. That is the most adorable spoon I've ever seen in my life. Just slides off. Everything about it is just so well done. So the spoon just attaches at the top there, and then the lid actually hinges back. It's just got a really fresh smell. It's almost like a jelly. So I will be using that next time I do my face. I think I'm going to keep this spoon forever. There's no way I'm going to get everything back into this box. So in terms of value for your money, with the Illamasqua primer worth £34, the rest of it basically cost me £1. So this is probably one of the better boxes I have come across so far. So I hope you found that interesting and useful, and it gives you an idea of what you get inside the Glossybox boxes. That's going to conclude today's video, so don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!